Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm actually doing a video about my hair. Nobody asked for this at all. I just thought it would be a good idea to share my tips and tricks for growing your hair out really long if that's what you're interested in doing. I know because of quarantine, a lot of the salons were closed. A lot of really bad at-home haircuts were happening, including my bangs. I was pretty tipsy at 1 a.m. cutting my bangs, so if you guys are interested in that, you can watch that. I'm just basically telling you guys what I do and what I did to get my hair this long. I'm gonna insert a photo of how long my hair was 2 years ago, and you guys can determine whether or not you want to listen to me based on how much my hair has grown. Everyone's hair grows at a different pace, I'm aware of that, so you guys need to be realistic. If your hair grows slower, your hair just grows slower, and it's not gonna be the same result that I had in the amount of time that I had. My hair is fast growing, and it always has been. I have really thick hair, and it is very, I don't want to say very coarse, but it is slightly coarse. I straightened it today, and I also washed it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how long my hair is. I hope I can get it in the frame. Let's see. My ends are really damaged, and I have a lot of split ends. I might have to have my fiance film. She is long. So in today's video, I'm just telling you how I got my hair long and pretty healthy, I'd say, and shiny. Yeah, if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I want to tell you guys about is this deep conditioner, which I like a lot, and it's by this brand that I'm a huge fan of called Cake. I recently started using them probably about 7 or 8 months ago. Oh no, probably a year ago, because there was a Walgreens by our old apartment that I stopped at all the time, and I was really attracted to the Cake products because I thought, oh, I wonder if they smell like cake. And they do. They smell so good and so sweet, and I'm a huge sweet fan, like sweet scents fan. I did do a video on perfumes if you guys are interested. I'm sorry I keep plugging videos, but like, I want people to like my videos and watch my videos, that's all. Yeah, I have a few of the Cake products, including their mousse, which I'm almost out of, and it's really good for like curl defining. This kind of just makes waves with my hair because my hair is not super curly naturally, but that on my fiance's hair looks so good. And then I have the hairspray by Cake. Basically, the Cake products they all smell so good. They all smell the same. It's really cohesive. It's this really pretty pink packaging, which I'm a huge fan of. I'm not sponsored by Cake at all. I'm just letting you guys know I really like this deep conditioner by them, and it's called the Whip Smart So Many Ways Hair Mask. Smart and savvy multi-purpose hair mask is simply too good to use in one way, offering next-level hydration to unruly and dehydrated strands by preventing damage, promoting elasticity, shine, and luster, all while providing much-needed moisture. Rich, long-like formula graciously coats hair, leaving an unwanted residue behind. I can't believe I just said that. Leaving a no unwanted residue behind. There we go. Time to whip up your tresses back into shape. So it says so many ways, and they have 4 different recommendations of how to use this product. I've used it as a deep conditioner before I wash, and I've actually conditioned it overnight in this, and it made my hair so shiny and smooth and like slippery, and it was like no frizz whatsoever when I used this. And it says you can also use that as a flyaway tamer and frizz control. So that would probably be more for like the curly-headed natural ladies who don't blow dry their hair. They just kind of like scrunch it and go. I'm sure you could use this just a little bit on top to tame the flyaways and all that. It smells so good. I just can't stress you guys enough how good those products smell. So another product I want to talk to you guys about is a wet brush. Now I'm not going to show you mine up close because it's disgusting. It has hair all in it. But the wet brush is really good for me who has thick hair, and I'm also really tender-headed. That's a strange combination, I feel like. I think most people who are tender-headed have really fine, thin hair. That is not me. I'm so tender-headed, and my tangles get so bad if I don't brush my hair. I try to brush it twice a day now. So like in the morning before I style it, and then at night before I go to bed. Especially before I go to bed. If I don't do it in the morning, I always brush my hair right before bed to get all the dead hair and tangles and all that shit out. And I use a wet brush because it's most comfortable for me, and it doesn't hurt my scalp or my head as much. Now I am going to quickly show you guys how I brush my hair, and I know a lot of you guys are like, wait, what do you mean how you brush your hair? It's really important how you brush your hair, I feel like. So what I do is that I try to gather all of my hair in one spot area, and I sort of grab it and make like a ponytail, and then I brush the ends. I brush the ends out. Obviously it's brushed out right now, but I brush these ends out and I just work my way up slowly to the hand, and then I will go through from the top to the bottom. So you always want to start bottom to top, especially if you have really tangly hair. Another product I'm going to talk about, which is not sponsored, is heat protectant. So this is the Chi heat protectant. It's personally my favorite because I do use a Chi straightener. I think it just gives me maximum protection. I could be wrong, but I always use this after I get out of the shower and my hair's wet, and I blow dry. Before I blow dry my hair, I spritz this all in my hair while it's still wet so that I can get the protection from the blow dryer, or at least some protection from the blow dryer. And then I use it before I straighten or curl, before I style with heat, obviously. Heat protectant's really important. I am a firm believer in heat protectant. I've used it since I was 13, I think. I can't go without heat protectant. If I don't have heat protectant, I'm not using heat on my hair, and it's as simple as that. I seldom use heat on my hair anymore. I do it pretty much just on my days off on occasion. For the most part, I usually wear my hair in a really low bun, which I'm sure you've seen on my channel. If you're familiar with my channel, that's usually how I wear my hair. It's the most comfortable, it's cute, doesn't make my hairline worse, and that's that. So I do want to talk about how often I wash my hair with you guys. So I feel like this is the main thing that has helped my hair grow, like 100%, is not washing my hair often. And I'm gonna be real with you guys, it's rough. It's rough to get it there. It's rough to get your hair to the point where you don't have to wash it that much, especially if you wash it every day. I've never been an everyday washing my hair type of person because I have a dry scalp, and then actually February of last year I got diagnosed with psoriasis of the scalp, which is even drier and worse. When you have flakes, when you have psoriasis flare up, you cannot shampoo your hair a lot. You're just gonna dry it out, irritate it, make it worse. So I definitely recommend starting off slower. Like, I used to wash my hair every other day, so then I pushed it to every 2 days, and then every 3. And I did this over a course of, I would say, 2 months, and now, you guys, I usually wash my hair every 9th to 10th day. So I go longer than a week now, typically. It is easier right now because at work we have to wear, like, well, we don't have to, but we choose to wear scrub caps over our head because of the COVID patients, and then like coughing and just all of that stuff, yeah. And we don't want to get our hair disgusting. It's either that or wash your hair every day, which none of us want to do because that takes freaking time. I definitely recommend just stretching it out. It's hard, you guys. It's a struggle, but like, most of the time people can't even tell that I don't wash my hair like often. Obviously today is a hair wash day. Like, you can tell. It's so clean. It looks so clean, I feel like. So yeah, the last product I want to talk to you guys about, which is also not sponsored anything at all. This is something I used when I was younger, and I don't even remember how I found out about it. I feel like I either read about it in a magazine or saw it on Facebook. I don't know, but it's a shampoo and conditioner that is for horses. So yeah, it's Mane and Tail shampoo and conditioner, and it works fantastic if you're trying to grow your hair out. I feel like this stuff and it says it makes your hair thicker, which I don't know if I necessarily believe that, but it definitely makes it shinier, makes it longer, like grow longer, faster, in my opinion. I've started reusing this again. I rediscovered my love for it. The only thing that I'm going to say to you guys is that if you color your hair, you cannot use this shampoo and conditioner. This is one of the worst shampoos and conditioner for colored hair. And my hairstylist told me, like, years ago, actually. Her name's Marka. Shout out to her. Hey, Marka, if you're in Jonesboro, Arkansas area, get your hair done by Marka Steflik. She told me it puts like almost like an artificial coating over your hair to make it even shinier. And color doesn't stick to that. And color, and I think it washes out color faster too. So if you're just strictly your natural hair color, then I would say go with these shampoo and conditioners, because I just think they're incredible. They don't have really much of a scent. They don't really make your hair smell amazing, but like I said, I have all these other products that I use that smell great, so that's not a big like deal breaker for me, you know what I mean? Battery's starting to die, which is perfectly good timing because I'm wrapping this video up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if you try any of these tricks, if it works for you at the salon. Oh, also I do recommend getting a trim quite often. I haven't had a trim in so long, and that's not good. I recommend getting a trim at least every 3 months. You're probably supposed to do it more than that, but every 3 months. I trim my hair myself occasionally, but I don't really recommend doing that either. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below. Say hi, say what's up, because I'll say hi back. And turn on the bell to turn your post notifications on so you can be notified every single time that I upload. And yeah, if you want to follow my Instagram, EmmaVictoria_MUA. And yeah, I think that's it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!